Hi guys, it's your Nugnog Diaries here and welcome back to my channel! For today's video, we are actually traveling. Galing kami ng... Wait, ang iingsin ng TV. Hinaan muna natin. I-pause muna natin si Alex Gonzaga. Ayan. So for today guys, andito kami sa Cologne with Rams and with Mitch. 3 months or love namin, and we are actually planning to go somewhere else. So it's gonna be a big surprise for everybody. And hindi na kami nakapag-vlog ng Cologne kasi medyo ang hectic, ang daming tao. So Carnival Festival, nung, kaya ba yan? Kahapon? Nung Monday. So we arrived nung Monday dito sa Cologne at tapos sobrang dami ng tao. Stressful. Trains are jam-packed. So ayun lang. But today mag-i-empake na naman kami. Kape-kape muna tayo. So mag-i-empake muna kami. Pupunta kami ng... Saan tayo punta, Rams? Secret. Tsaka yun na malalaman. Pag nandun na kami, o siya, sige na, tatayo mo na si Rams. It's our day 2 in Paris. So instead of us having like train rides, so nagpunta na ano na lang kami ng Uber because it's more convenient papuntang Eiffel Tower. So yesterday we weren't able to do vlogging because we're like so tired. We only slept the whole day. Nag-grocery lang kami. And then today is actually our official day 1 kung tutuusin. So for day 2 na kami talaga dito. So ayan, we're going to explore Paris. Ayan, Rams is here. Mag-vlog din siya later. So ayan, goodbye na muna. Bye! Nandyan siya sa... Hindi lang siya masyadong kita. Ayan siya guys. So inaayos pa siya. Dahil sobrang laki ng damage siya na nasunog siya. And that's Notre Dame. Pupuntahan siguro namin yan later. Bye! We are in Eiffel Tower, people! So it's pretty nice in here. Ayan tayo guys. The outfit will always be giving, you know. So it's like Luneta in the making. Charot! Wait lang. Ba't parang dumidili? Overcast? But look! So beautiful. Anong masasabi mo na nandito na tayo sa Paris? Croissant. Ang kinain lang namin today is croissant and pain au chocolat. Of course, it's my favorite. Lakad-lakad tayo dito sa Paris. And look, I'll show ya. The Eiffel. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful place to live. Hi! Taga saan ka? Ganda. Ganda, Rams. Hi guys! So... we are done here sa Eiffel Tower. So how's the experience?
Okay lang.
Super nice, diba? It's cold. And we are actually on our way to Arc de Triomphe here in Paris. And ayan, wala tayong mic so you can really hear the surroundings. Actually, we're walking. Hindi ko na alam kung saan kami pupunta, charot. Pero talaga, maganda dito. I love it. And it's getting quite cold, it's gloomy, but still, it's Paris! Oh, it's so beautiful! Diba? Char! Sige na, bye-bye! So guys, we are now in Arc de Triomphe. Ayan. Together with Rams. So we walked here like around 20 minutes from the Eiffel. So medyo malamig talaga siya. But it's really nice. It's fall. And it's the Arc. Punta na rin kami mamaya sa Champs-Élysées. Kung tama ba yung pagbanggit ko? But we have to go to like ikot kami dun si Arc para makapag-picture kami dun in front. So Rams, we have to go like here. Para dun tayo sa front. Let's cross. So, paikot siya talaga, guys. So, ayun lang. Hindi pa kami kumakain, pero kumain na kami kanina. Ayun si Ramso. So, tumatawid na naman kami. It's another shot. What is it? We're right in the middle. I'll show ya. Ta-da! See? It's the Triumph Arc or Arc de Triomphe. Ang daming tao. Picture muna kami, of course. Tsaka mag-video din kami. O siya. Love Paris. Bye. Ayan, tapos na kami sa Champs-Élysées. No, not Champs-Élysées. Tapos na kami sa Arc de Triomphe. And Rams is getting hungry. We are going to like find some food. Saan tayo kain? Magdo.
Sa Kwan, 5 Glass Restaurant.
Sa 5 Glass Restaurant dito. It's McDonald's, of course. Dahil nagtipid tayo dito sa Paris. So this street right here, andito ang mga Cartier, andito yung mga Moncler, mga Saint Laurent. Pero hindi tayo mamimili. So we're just gonna like eat here and then we're gonna go to Louvre Museum. So ayun lang. Bye for now. Kain muna kami. Bye. Saan ka punta?
To the moon.
Skirt. Broom. Hi guys! So we are done now eating at McDonald's. And ngayon ay pupunta na kami sa Louvre. It will be around how many minutes? Like 40 minutes of going to Louvre. Ang daming tao, oh my gosh. Pero ito yung Louis Vuitton nila dito. And Louis, ginawa nilang parang bag yung building nila. So it's really cool. So, ayan. See? Ayun lang. Hindi nyo masyado makita. But, straight ahead, it's Louvre Museum. So, bye. Later on. See you later. Parisian ka na. Hindi ka na German, di ay.
Wala kaming paki sa street light. Pag red,
Parang Maynila lang.
May, kamay.
Ayan.
Kavong cloing.
Solomon.
Salomon.
Abongbong.
Salomon. Lulumilong.
Lululemon. Lululemon. So cool. So papunta muna kami dun sa bridge. Hindi muna kami papunta sa Louvre. So Rams, grabe. Ganda dito, no? Oh my God. I love this city. Do you wanna cross? No. I think I'm just not allowed to go here. But okay. Naging Chinese. Wait lang nga, magpipicture muna kami, bye! So guys, we are now approaching the famous bridge in Paris kung saan si Heart Evangelista is laging nagpipicture dito. No, just kidding. Pero ayan, ayan yung mga gold na nasa taas. If you guys can see, medyo malayo-layo pa tayo, but we're almost there. Actually, pag nasa camera, medyo malayo siya, pero pag nasa harapan mo na, andyan na kami. Ayan na. We are on the bridge. Anong bridge to?
Intramuros Bridge.
Ayun, mukha naman talaga kami nasa Intramuros nga naman. Tingnan mo. Tadaan! Jones Bridge. Sa Jones Bridge. Unsama na. Unsama ni. Yeah, we're in Paris. I love Paris. I love Paris. Look, the Eiffel Tower is here. The lamps, the golds, the everything. It's so nice. But it's cold. Ayan guys, narinig niyo yung ingay ng buong environment. So, alam ko may picture ako before dati dito sa yung ganun, yung doon. Yung malaking parang ano doon. But, I'll try to retake natin yung picture ko doon. Yung doon. May picture ako before dito eh. Sige, hold on. Bye! So guys, nag-stop over muna kami sa mga museums here along. Papunta kami sa may Louvre. And actually, ang ganda talaga ng mga arts and artifacts dito here sa Paris. And ayan, with Rams pa rin. Say hi! Ano sabi mo? May mga nag-field trips here. So we're on our way to Louvre. And of course, may Pop Mart doon. Since in our place in Germany, there's no Pop Mart. So hindi ako makabili ng Labubu. Kaya bibili ako ngayon ng Labubu. Kahit isang Labubu lang. Kasi inggitero ko eh. So ayun lang guys. I'll keep in touch. I'll keep you guys posted in my Instagram and Facebook. Ayan. And watch nyo na lang kasi yung vlog ko na to, i-edit ko to pag uwi ko. Pag uwi ko pa kasi hindi ko dala yung laptop kasi it's Paris, you know. There's a lot of hindi natin alam. So, baka mamaya mawala pa yung laptop ko. So, ayun lang. Napapagod na ako maglakad. Ang layo naman ng Louvre. So, nag-Uber na lang kami. Charot. But I recommend Uber actually kasi yung place namin is in Ibis, Bercy Lane. So actually that hotel is cheap. Pero it's quite far from the main street or the main city. Pero I suggest na mag-Uber kayo because Uber is quite cheap. Alam mo kung 2 or 3 kayong tao, maghahati lang kayo. It's like Bercy Lane to here, it's like 20 euro. So kung 20 euro, 3 kayo, diba? So kag 2 kami ni Rams, naghati lang kami. So yun lang. Napapagod na ako. Sige na, bye-bye na. Bye! So, nag-enjoy ka naman ba, Rams?
Yeah.
Oh, diba?
Welcome in Paris.
No, bonjour.
Bonjour pala. Bonjour in Paris.
Doon tayo.
S'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît.
Gusto ko ng egg fry.
Gusto mo ng egg pie?
Gusto ko ng crumble egg.
So ayun guys, nandito na kami malapit sa Louvre. Actually, malayo-layo pa yung Louvre, so it's like garden. So, ayun lang. Welcome to Paris! Welcome to my world! Hello guys, so we are here in Starbucks Reserve in Paris. And drinking my favorite all-time favorite. With Rams. So ayun guys, lobot na yung phone ko. But we're gonna do an unboxing from Pop Mart. Ayan siya. Walang Labubu. So for you all to know, walang Labubu. Labubu is not available and hindi nila alam kung kailan sila magkakaroon ng Labubu ulit. So, ang binili ko is Hero, no? What the fudge is wrong with my microphone? Okay, so mag-unbox tayo today. I've been wanting a Hirono for such a long time, but wala namang Pop Mart. And it's finally here. I'm finally in Paris and they have Pop Mart. So let's try to check and see what this is all about. Hirono. Hirono Manowari. Charot. How can I like? Gusto ko talaga sana yung yung may pakpak na Hirono. Ewan ko, ang cute niya lang and I think it really goes well with my table. Ta-da! Oh, Rams, my bone! What is this? Well, there's bone. There's a small bone. Pangit lang kukukupota. May bone siya. Oh, Hirono. So cute. It has like a bone. Another version na naman siya. Hindi siya ka-same version. So, let's see. The other one. Charot. The other one version. Ayan. Tik na mic to. Nalalaglag. So, ayan. Na? Wait tayo. Sige. Wait lang guys, na-excite ako. What's this? It has like banana. Oh, Hirono's crying. It's so cute. Look. Isn't it cute? I love it. Ang sungit ng tingnan, legit. Pero ang ganda. I love it. You wanna buy one too? You wanna buy one? We can go back. Okay. So, si Rams ay bibili din. Hindi kasi namin mahanap yung... Ano nga ba hinahanap mo, ma? Sunny Angels. Nasa ibang store daw. But we'll see. We will try to find it. But I'm so happy with my Hirono. Hindi yung gustong ko, yung na-achieve ko. But it's my first Hirono, so it's fine. So, ayun lang. Iinumin ko muna tong Starbies and then later on at night we'll go to the Eiffel again to watch the lights. I think they have like lights something. So ayun lang. Bye! See y'all! So guys, we walked here pabalik ulit ng Eiffel Tower and ang layo actually kasi gusto namin makita siya nagsa-sparkle at night but look at that. It's not yet sparkling. So later on, I think it's like an hour of interval. Let's see if magsa-sparkle na siya. And look at Rams. Look at the tower. Yes! It's very high actually. Kasi super nasa ibaba lang kami. Okay, so see y'all later. Say see y'all later.
Be sure again.
Bye. Guys, it's few more minutes. What time is it? 1 minute and it will hopefully start sparkling na. Few more minutes guys and it will start sparkling na. 1 minute na lang siguro. So, ayan, naghihintay na lang kami dito sa mismong harap ng Eiffel kasi...
Ayan. Ayan na nga, oh.
Nasa-start na! Ayan na! Yay! It sparked! Okay, sige, bye-bye! So, ayun guys. We're about to go home. And pagod na kami. And we decided to have Uber na lang instead of commute and train. So, yeah. Kasi, grabe yung lakaran today. Ang sakit na ng mga paa namin. Ayun lang. And we're on our way to our hotel. Say hi, Rams. Do you see the tower? Paano ba? Iharap mo doon. Okay.
Si senyor?
Si senyor.
Si senyore?
So, ayun lang. It's been fun actually. Activities namin today is we went to some museums. Punta kami sa Louvre. Saan tayo pumunta pa? sa Pop Mart. Chutang ina, napagastos na naman doon. Ayok. And napabili din ako ng charger ko kasi wala ng low bat na yung phone ko. So, hindi ko nadala yung power bank and may saksakan. So, ayun, bumili na naman tayo. Another gastos. Which is dapat hindi na. And Casetify, of course. Dito na pala ako sa Paris makakabili ng Casetify. So, and some souvenir shoppings for our friends back home. So, ayun lang. And for tomorrow's activity, we will stay also here in the city. And hindi na kami mag-Disney kasi it's super expensive pagka weekends. So maybe next time na lang if mga next year hopefully. Pwede naman kami bumalik dito anytime. So ayun. Grabe yung pagod namin guys. Mag-unboxing kami later ng mga Hirono. Na-unbox ko na pala kanina yung akin. So I have one. Bumili ako ulit kasi akala ko makukuha ko yung tax-free. Pero sa airport na pala. But we're not gonna go to the airport. We're actually going to the bus station kasi we don't live far. We live near. Like, Flixbus going to Germany is fine. So, ayun lang. Tahimik na si Rams kasi pagod na siya. Nag-e-emote na siya. Charot. Yeah. So how's your experience naman dun sa pag-lights ng Eiffel?
Okay lang naman. Nag-away pa kami kung ano.
Nagtalo pa kami kung anong oras kasi sabi nung ate, anong
Sabi
tawag
kasi
doon?
niya, every 15 minutes
Every
per
15
hour.
minutes per hour. Eh, ang pagkakaintindi ko naman, it's like, kasi it's 6:45 nun. Ang tanong ko kasi is, what time will it start sparkling? So, ang sabi ng ate, in 15 minutes. Pero, it's gonna be like maximum of 5 minutes lang per hour. So, pag 7, kunwari, 7 exact to, 7:05, stop na siya, ganun. So, next hour na ulit, like 8. And then 8:05, stop na siya, ganun siya. So, kailangan nandito kayo pag before 7 or 8 or 9 so that you see the Eiffel Tower sparkling. So, ayun. Pero hindi na kami nagsisi na hinintay namin. Pero malamig guys, so wear your jackets. And ayun, I'll see you back home. Bye! Bye, Rams! Hi guys! So, ayan. Uy, we're using 2 mics, di ba? Ang
Yeah,
ganda.
hello.
So, it's like podcast. Rar. So, guys, we are in Paris. Tapos na po kami mag-tour around the city. And, ayun, medyo napa-shopping kami ng konti. Pero we're trying not to spend so much. Kaya, hanggat sa kaya, kumain kami sa McDonald's kanina.
5-star restaurant.
Yeah,
guys.
hindi kami
McDonald's.
Yeah, puro lang kami McDo, guys. Kung magpa-Paris kayo, Burger King and McDo is the key kung gusto niyo makatipid.
Ginaw.
Pero, since nagpunta kami ng Pop Mart, we tried to find Labubu. Yay! Pero wala kaming Labubu.
Wala hanggang
Titignan namin bukas kung may isa pa kasing Pop Mart dito sa Paris. Ang pinuntahan namin is underneath Louvre Museum.
Yeah.
Meron dong Pop Mart. Pero there's no Labubu at all. So we'll check tomorrow and see if may lababo. May Labubu pa sila.
Lalababo
But
ba?
bumili kami ng Hirono. Actually guys, ako may video na ako na nag-open ako ng 2 Hirono ko sa Starbucks. And now, let's see Ramadan's Hirono.
Kung ano muna sa'yo.
Akin muna. Oh, grabe ko.
Sige, ako na.
Yung sa'yo muna kasi nakapag-unbox na ako ng 2. Rams bought
Ito
so
muna.
much Hirono.
Ito ba yun?
He has 4
Apat na.
Hironos.
Ito guys, ano yung tawag ito?
That's
Shelter.
Shelter version.
Pakimine po.
Sana meron yung
Ano
may
nga?
pakpak kasi palit kami kung may pakpak yung Hirono niya.
Ibibenta ko ng 30 euro.
Uy, grabe. Lapit natin ng konti. Ayan. Actually, ang ganda din ng Hirono kasi ito yung laging parang na-advertise maliban sa Labubu.
Alam mo yung wings.
Hello! Uy, wala pa.
Spicy wings.
Spicy.
Meron na! Charot. May kwan pala dito, may secret.
Oo, may secret niya.
Yes.
So, let's see. Where?
Hindi.
Wait! We're the same. I have
Same ba
that.
tayo?
Same, like mine. The Hirono.
Sino ba yan?
I think ito yung my poet. I know.
Hindi, iba to.
My bone.
my
Oh, this is so cute! Oh
Tignan
my
mo,
God!
guys. Ay, pwede naman siyang kunin, di
Ang
ba?
cute namin. Charot. Yeah.
Tutulog siya.
Hala, ang cute!
Oh.
Look. Oh, it's so nice.
Nice.
Ang ganda. So, okay, another. Let's see, another hero, no? The Little Mischief. Ayan, lagi din nilang nakalagay sa ads yan. I don't know, I like Hirono kasi ang sungit niyang tignan, guys, pero ang cute niya. So, other people like yung parang girl, parang kay Marian Rivera. Marami din dun, guys, sa Pop Mart, but it's really expensive. Yun lang yung malalaki. More than 300 euro na siya. So, this one like 15 euros lang naman. So, but it's so cute. And, it's like something that we bought in Paris. So, maalala natin na nasa Paris kami.
Yeah. Napagastos siya.
Napagastos, ayan. Pero,
Ang gusto ko naman dito ay ito si Robot o
Sino?
si Destroyer.
oh yeah, that's so cute.
Cute din to si Boiling Frog.
Yeah, okay.
Let's open it.
Drum roll. The pony. So, let's see.
Boiling Frog siya.
Ay, wait, andito na pala. Boiling Frog!
Ito nga siya.
Oh my God, it's so cute! See, they have like Boiling Frog.
Oh my God! Naliligo siya.
Ang ganda, gagi. Ang cute! Hello!
Pagkatapos niyang gumising, naliligo siya.
Ang cute! Para siyang parang ang sungit-sungit niya, guys.
Kinalig.
Tingnan mo, ang sungit-sungit niya, no? Pero ang ganda.
Ang cute
Cute
nila
din.
lahat, guys.
Cute lahat. Sige. So, let's see. Let's try to open and see ano makakuha ni Rams. This is the third hero, no? So, ayan. Ay! Parang hinatutulog nga.
Wait lang. Ano saan yung... Parang,
Kasi pahalang siya.
guys, parang natutulog.
Pag natutulog to, guys, kasi
Five,
parang
four,
maganda yung
three,
3, 2.
two. Ay, hindi.
Wala, ang cute! Sino to?
Cute niya si Kuan.
Sino to? Si Dinosaur? Wait,
Ito.
si Devilry!
Oh my God, ang cute.
Ang cute. Tingnan nyo, si Devilry. Oh, kinsak ka. Diba? Ang sungit niyang tingnan. And he is like wearing a dinosaur costume. So this is really cute.
Oh
and-
my God.
Your
The
last
last
but
one.
not the least. Hindi siya hero, no?
Isa siyang Dimu.
Dimu siya, pero sa Pop Mart pa rin. I think it's like, bukas yung eyes ng hero, no? Parang siyang hero, no? Pero bukas yung eyes niya. So, ayan.
Siya, guys.
Ayan siya.
Si Dimu.
Parang pang Christmas things.
Christmas, yeah.
So, sana makakuha tayo ng secret dito, no? Sabay tayo! Okay, I also got mine sa Dimu. So, oh my God, Lord! Lord!
Sana naman.
Sana. Wait, paano mo ito buksan? Wala yung pinipil. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Diba? ASMR yan. Hala! What's this? Oh my God!
Ay, parang
Oh my God!
Ito yung sa'yo. Ito, madami. 3 sila.
Hala! Wait! Oh my God! Ano? Ito pa lang, oh! Meron lang something. Wait lang.
Buksan ko muna.
Kinakabahan ako. Pero, ang cute! Shit! Oh my God, guys! I've got the 3 Demos!
Yun nga.
Ang cute! Shibar! I get 3! Oh my God, I'm so happy!
Yun yung...
May tax refund to kasi we're not from Paris, we're from Cologne. I mean, from Germany, of course. Pero kasi hindi kami dadaan sa airport kasi nga mag-bus lang kami pa uwi. So, hindi ko makakuha yung tax refund. Oh, di wala lang din. Pero, sulit kasi napabili ako ng bagong Demo and oh my God, this is so nice. Oh my God. Oh my God. And also, guys, hindi ako nagpahuli. Look what I've got. It's Casetify. Kasi I've been dreaming of wanting to have a Casetify actually. Diba? Matagal ko na yung sinasabi yun. And wala pa ako nabibiling Casetify for myself. And if ordered ako online, hindi rin ako sure if it's good or not. So, good thing, Paris has a Casetify store just below the Louvre Museum. And ayun guys, napabili ako. It's really nice actually kasi may warranty and everything. They have a really nice box included in him. And alam mo kung anong binili ko? Drum roll. ASMR. Charot. Tadang! Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Oh my God. It's namamaki yung pusa. So, pack you all. Pack you to the world. Ayan. So, ayan yung guys. Ayun lang. Happy ang lahat. And thank you so much, Rams. It's been a really nice, first day. It's second day, but officially first day of touring around Paris. So, tomorrow, wala na kaming gagastusin. Mag-Uber na lang kami. Magbabaon-baon na lang kami.
Sana na.
Maghahanap kami ng labubu sa second Pop Mart.
Sana na.
Pero, ayun lang guys. We're so happy. We made this travel. And then, kailan ba tayo? Anong susunod natin travel? No, magpapahinga muna kami.
Then,
Pag
see
uwi.
you soon.
See you again pag may
Secreto
naisipan
muna.
kaming travel. But secret muna kasi baka ma-jinx. But for now, happy Paris! Woo! Bye guys! Thank you so much!
Ay, rakum no.